mince is one of the best budget proteins to add to your shopping list, but the staple ingredient doesn't have to be boring, does it?
No, Shervo,
No.
it does not. No siree. These next recipes are fun, fresh and great family faves. And to show us how, clinical nutritionist Sarah Di Lorenzo. Good morning to you, Sarah.
Look at it.
Good morning, guys.
Now, you
Hi.
can
This is
use
awesome. I love
any
this.
type of mince.
Yes.
All these sorts of recipes
Yes.
have different minces. Let's start with the chicken.
I know, how fabulous does that look? But
Yes.
it's also a recipe that's so high in protein and wonderful for your immune system. So I got the chicken, cooked it off, and I added to it some chickpeas, which have just got like half a cup of chickpeas is like 20 grams of protein. And then I've got lemongrass, I've got ginger in there, garlic in there, heaps of lime. I've got mint over the top, which is great for gut, for digestion. And the thing about this is I put them in those little baby like gem lettuce. Yeah, that kind of style. But you could put that over rice. You could put it with rice noodles. I put some beans in there for fibre because I love when you're having protein. Yeah, that's all the protein in there, and just heaps of immune support. You need a spoon, Shervo. There's a spoon just there.
So good.
A little bit of red onion over the top, which is anti. Oh, here we go. Look at it all happening.
Don't you reckon?
I feel like Nat, we could be at a restaurant right now.
Yes.
And like, say, well, you're like, you know,
coriander.
Have another margarita, please, honey. Okay.
Yes.
While he does the chicken, this is beef.
Okay, beef. This is spicy. Do you like spicy?
I love spicy.
Okay, this is spicy. So this is
Is that
my
a chili?
Yeah. So
I'll have the chili. I love spicy.
yeah, it is. So it's beef mince, great. So I did cook that on a high heat. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? I did it on a high heat, so I did use some sesame oil for that cooking method. I had the greens in there, obviously the chilli too. Did a rice noodle, but when I was cooking it, I put some like garlic in there and some ginger, and I was kind of going on this tangent thinking, this is going to be wonderfully gluten-free, and then I put a bit of oyster sauce in it and realised it wasn't gluten-free because oyster sauce isn't gluten-free.
But
I've never tried to make, I've never tried to make oyster sauce.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, yes. So, lamb.
Yeah, rissoles, love these.
Yeah.
Just quickly too, there's quality control of mince in Australia, isn't there? It's not like all the dodgy bits and stuff. It's actually really healthy and clean.
Yes, it is, absolutely, 100%.
Very healthy.
Yes, it is. And also about this recipe here, this is the quickest thing to do. So I've literally got 3 ingredients. I've got the mince, some feta, and I've also got some cumin. Those 3, mixed it together.
Hey, I have a rissole, honey. Okay.
Yeah, and so I did that, and then I just, with the couscous, you can do things like throw spinach in there and some spring onion like I did. And so this is easy to do, and this is like under 5 minutes to make this. Like it would be the easiest recipe ever.
Okay.
And then wrap it up.
Yes, okay,
Beef.
fabulous. This is like a meal in one, I've decided, because you've got the protein, you've got the carbohydrates. But in here, I've got heaps of vegetables. Like I've got cauliflower, zucchini, capsicum, and and it's great. And I use the wholemeal wraps.
Yeah, because it just adds another
and then
element.
Wholemeal wrap.
Yeah, and then what I did was I just put it in a non-stick pan and a little bit of cheese, heaps of flavour, and lots of cumin in there, which is great for digestion. It's also good for weight loss too. But this is something that you could just serve and
This
know
is beef,
that.
isn't it?
Yes, beef mince as well.
I'm going back to this.
But as you can see with mince, it's versatile, it's economical, it's
Bit of carrot in
delicious,
there, that's good.
and you still get all the nutrients you would get in a regular piece of meat in your mince. So who said mince is boring? Hasn't tried any of these recipes? Oh, creative!
You know what, coriander and lime,
Yeah.
next level.
I know.
Way to my heart.
Exactly. Those are all great. This has been one of our favourite ones. We both walked up and went, yep, thank you.
Nailed this. I'm so surprised Brett's isn't here. You can find all the recipes on the Sunrise website. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you.
Thank you.